Wow. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, lovely people all over the world. This is Sunday Ayenmua from Ghana. I'm into online business for a couple of years now. I'm just so excited about this opportunity that I want to share with you, all of you. I've been online for several times now, and I've been scammed on several occasions. Yes, the online is full of scams. You don't know. You waste all your money online with scams. Some people are out there just what taking others this in sweat, and I see it to be very bad. And today it's a great day. It's even a Sunday, and I'm called Sunday, so I want to just use this opportunity to ginger someone out there, to encourage someone out there watching this video at this hour that your day has come. Your time has come to make money online. Your time has come to make money online. I repeat it again. Your time has come to make money online. This is a great opportunity that I want to share out to all the world. So, first of all, I want to and use my time to thank the owner, the CEO of this company. I thank you, and then I pray that God will guide and protect him and give him long life for his work and then his good work that he's doing for all of us within the company. So, I would like to just introduce what I'm going to talk about today to all of you watching me at this hour. Yes, today I'm going to talk about a great company by name the Entrepreneur Headquarters. This is a company that I find it very serious, I don't know what to say, but finally I've come to the end of scams. No scammer can get me again. This is a company that is very genuine, real company that is into net. This is a great people. They are doing all their hard work to make sure that all of us will make money online through this company. This is a passive income. This why it doesn't matter whether you are rich, you are poor, you can make money within this company. It depends it now what determine what your first step. That's why they say in anything you want to do, always take what your first step. So I would like to use this opportunity to just I thank all of you first, and then for showing this opportunity to you. I want you to take the first step and see yourself flying high. First of all, I would like to just talk small about the Entrepreneur Headquarters, what they do and what they does, and whatever benefit you get there, and who they are. So first of all, this is not a hype. It's a what? It's a passive income program that is into net to save or to help people all over the world. It doesn't matter wherever you are from, you can participate in this great opportunity. So first of all, I would like to use my own accounts. I joined this company for some months back, and then the money I'm making here, it's just like it's a dream to me. But first of all, I want to thank the owner, CEO of this company again, that God will bless him for giving me, he just interact with me physically every day online. On Facebook, we've been chatting, and he has been giving me this advice to take the first step. And then the good thing about this man is that he's very visible to all of us in this company. He interacts with us. He tells us what is good and what is bad. So this is a company that is to save or to help people all over the world. So if you talk about the Entrepreneur Headquarters, yes, they are into investment. And then it's a trading platform whereby they do trading. And the good thing about it is that weekly, it shows the weekly trading, the benefit, the loss, and then yes, that shows that the thing is visible. Because you can't be participating in something that you don't even see what they are doing. Yes, this is my back office that I was talking about. Yes, as you can see my total balance. I have $18.29. You can see my last deposit, $100. You can see my total deposited, $350.99. If you come here, you can see my information, my phone name, my email, the date I joined this company, and then the last access, and then I'm active. Look at the month, my total account balance. My active balance here is $300, 300.99. Pending withdrawals 00. Total withdrawals, you can see $85.74. Wow, amazing. This is just what I was talking about. As you can see with your own eyes, this is all that I was just talking about. So I want to encourage you watching me at this hour. Take the first step, join this company and see yourself running like I am here. I'm just happy for this company. I joined this company and then I'm making a lot of money here. Crazy money. This is what we call crazy money, passive income. Every day my earnings come, every day my earnings come. But I want to add more funds, and then more daily what earnings will be coming. So I want to just use this opportunity to encourage someone out there to join this great opportunity. But at the end of this video, I encourage you, you click on, you listen, you read down, there's a link below. I encourage you to click on the link and join, and I'll give my information, my Facebook, my Skype, everything there that you can join so that you can interact. If you want us to chat one by one, you can do it and we'll chat, and I'll give you guidelines, and I'll guide you how you join this company and what you get more benefit and then more information about this company. So I encourage you watching me at this hour to take the first step. Click on the link below, join this great company. Let's rock it together, because you have to say bye bye or no to what scammers. Don't let your money go to scammer hands again. So I encourage you, whoever watching this video at this hour of the time, just take the first step, joining this link below so that you see yourself running like I am here. Thank you. I encourage you to, I hope soon I will hear from you, and we also that we all want to rock this company together. Thank you very much for watching this video and for taking the first step. Let me see you there. Let's rock together so that this will shame scammers away. No one will give money to any useless person without doing anything for you. You just scam someone's money and you are happy out there. So I encourage you all watching this video, take this great opportunity. Join me now. Let's rock this together. I pray that God will strengthen you, God will touch you, and God will let you know the rare company that you are going to join now, and then you will make money out of it. I encourage you all to just take the first step. Thank you for watching this video, but don't forget to click the link. My information will be given down. You can chat with me on Facebook, Skype, any social media that you wish, Twitter. I'm always there for you so that we interact and then we'll get more information about online business. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.